Good morning. For the second day in a row, we join you from the car. The second day in a row, me and Lucas have been kicked out, so Danielle can work. So what we're doing is we are going to have a manly day, well, manly few hours. Going to B&Q, just because. No, we're going to get a few bits and bobs to build a drive with. Not like the big heavy stuff, but just the bits to make the fender, the gate and what have you, just for when I do come round to doing it. Well, we are at B&Q and we have gone to what we call the Scran Van. So me and Lucas are just sitting here in the front of the car. So me and Lucas are just sitting here in front of the car, listening to the radio and eating our chips. Aren't we? So yeah. Just sent Danielle a picture. No, Daddy's. Just sent Danielle a picture, so hopefully she's dead jealous. Marley here. I've got a towel from you. You have, haven't you?
Lucas, careful. Good boy, Marley. Good boy. Good boy! No! Who's a good boy, Marley?
On the beach.
Marley, where's his stick? Where's his stick? Quick! Quick! Did he look? Did he get wet? Oh no! Yes? What happened? Did you fall down? It was a big wave, wasn't it? Go and do it again. Careful. Uh-oh, look. Run. Did you get it? Did Daddy get wet? Huh? Oh.
Absolutely so.
Oh, I think somebody else is beating into that one.
Right, let's go.
Should we go for a walk now?
No.
Why?
My wellies are full of water.
Well,
Pants are soaking.
why be so stupid?
Well, I wasn't. It was the water's fault.
You want to go back home? You got afraid. So these softies want to go back home. It's as if they got wet or something. But they should be like being sensible and not go in the water. Just throw things for the dog to go in the water. But boys don't have brains.
We get all the looks.
Oh, I doubt that.
Sorry, I've got somebody pulling me up this hill.
Listen, let's see if we can hear. Can you hear? Squelch, 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 squelch. In his new shoes as well. Oh, these hill sands are a nightmare.
Hill sand.
Hill sands. Sand hills. Oh goodness gracious. You managing? Do you need help?
No.
Are you sure? Lucas?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Good. Let's go home. I think we need the light on. It's getting dark on night times again. Oh. It's not funny. Because this pick on Mummy Day?
And Mom and Dad. Then they just do it. Then Mom and do it.
Lucas.
Do.
Lucas. Look. Lucas.
Yes.
Look. Go and tickle Daddy's toes. Shh.
I tickle.
Tickle.
Ah!
Did you get afraid?
Yes.
Do you want to pick a book for Daddy to read?
That one.
That one. Okay. What is it about? What's on the front? Is it a mouse?
Oh.
Daddy.
Okay.
And what do we say to our friends?
Oh, wait, Daddy. No, Daddy.
Say night night.
He's sleeping again.
He's sleeping again.
Yeah.